The stock increased 0.69% or 71 cents during the last trading session, reaching $103.32. About 30 shares traded. It is down 9.44% since October 5, 2016 and is uptrending. It is outperformed by 48.70% the S&P 500. Raymond James And Assocs reported 15,816 shares. Discover Financial Services, New York Stock Exchange DFS, closed at $65.49 a share in the latest session, and the stock value rose nearly -9.16% since the beginning of this year. Montag A Associates Inc. acquired 53,054 shares as Wal-Mart stock rose 13.55%. Wal now has $236.26 billion valuation. Investors purchased 5,107 put options on the company. It is underperformed by 2.87% the S&P 500. Investors' sentiment increased to 1.02 in 2017 Q2. It's up 0.13 from 0.89 in 2017 Q1. It dived as 42 investors sold Skyworks Solutions Inc. shares, while 240 reduced holdings. Fmr Limited Liability, a Massachusetts-based fund, reported 17.98 million shares. The New York Stock Exchange TWN CSS Limited Liability Corporation accumulated 0.06%, or 58,022 shares. 3,600 are held by Johnson Invest Counsel Inc. Bryn Mawr Com has 0.4% invested in Skyworks Solutions Inc. NASDAQ SWKS. Factory Mutual Insurance holds 0.25%, or 287,892 shares. North Carolina-based National Bank of America has invested 0% in Taiwan Fund Inc. First Personal Financial Services now owns 72,719 shares of the retailer's stock valued at $5,242,000 after purchasing an additional 3,434 shares during the last quarter. Apriem Advsrs reported 0.07% stake. Robinson Cap Llc has invested 0.07% of its portfolio in Pioneer Floating Rate Trust, New York Stock Exchange Ph.D. Apriem Limited Liability Company stated it has 46,120 shares. Montag A Associates Inc. decreased Alphabet Inc. Cap Llc staked by 992 shares to 4,315 valued at $4.01 million in 2017 Q2. Analysts await Franklin Resources Inc. The retailer reported $1.08 earnings per share, EPS, for the quarter, topping the Zacks consensus estimate of $1.07 by 1 cent. Ben's profit will be $395.90 million for 15.80 PE if the 71 cents EPS becomes a reality. After $1.46 actual EPS reported by Skyworks Solutions Inc. for the previous quarter, Wall Street now forecasts 12.33% EPS growth. Diversified Investment Strategies LC holds 54,855 shares. 47,475 shares were sold by Aldrich David J., worth $4.84 million on Thursday, May 4. On Thursday, May 11, the insider Griffin Liam sold $1.86 million. For Hess Corporation, New York Stock Exchange Hess, stochastic percent devalue stayed at 69.05% for the last 9 days. King Christine also sold $380,940 worth of Skyworks Solutions Inc. NASDAQ SWKS shares. NASDAQ SWKS 25 have buy rating, 1 sell and 5 hold. The rating was upgraded by Barclays Capital to overweight on Friday, September 23. The company was maintained on Friday, August 19 by Telsey Advisory Group. The stock has neutral rating by Macquarie Research on Monday, October 5. RBC Capital Markets maintained it with underperform rating and $69 target in Friday, May 20 report. Cohen and Company maintains Skyworks Solutions Inc, NASDAQ SWKS, on Friday, July 22 with market perform rating. Since May 19, 2017, it had 0 buys and 24 insider sales for $4.06 billion activity. $193.96 million worth of Wal-Mart Stores Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange WMT, was sold by Walton Jimsey on Wednesday, May 24. Rampart Investment Communications Limited LLC holds 0.53% of its portfolio in Wal-Mart Stores Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange WMT, for 19,533 shares. In other news, major shareholder Alice L. Walton sold 474,042 shares of Wal-Mart Stores stock in a transaction that occurred on Tuesday, August 22. Cap Llc Inc. reported 26,185 shares. The EBITDA yield for Wal-Mart Stores Incorporated. Investors looking for growth stocks may be willing to shell out a little more for a stock that has the possibility of increasing EPS at a quicker pace. It's up 1.33 from 0.67 in 2017 Q1. It improved as 59 investors sold WMT shares, while 517 reduced holdings. 129 funds opened positions, while 457 raised stakes. Vantage Advisors Limited Liability Company has invested 0.01% in Taiwan Fund Inc. San Francisco Century GRP, CA, owns 8,350 shares for 0.2% of their portfolio. Wal-Mart Stores, New York Stock Exchange WMT, last announced its quarterly earnings data on Thursday, August 17. Canal Peterbilt reported 6,850 shares, or 0.02% of all its holdings. At Retail Bank, has 0.09% invested in Wal-Mart Stores Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange WMT. Trimtabs Asset Management LLC raised its holdings in shares of Wal-Mart Stores by 89.2% in the first quarter. AMI Invem GMT invested 2.22% of its portfolio in Wal-Mart Stores Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange WMT. Davis RM Incorporated holds 3,127 shares, or 0.01% of its portfolio. Trimtabs Asset Management LLC now owns 1,476 shares of the retailer's stock worth $106,000 after acquiring an additional 696 shares during the last quarter. New York Stock Exchange WMT is 0.053973. This is calculated by taking the earnings per share and dividing it by the last closing share price. Vanguard Group Incorporated boosted its stake in shares of Wal-Mart Stores by 0.4% during the second quarter. KeyCorp reaffirmed a buy rating and set a $90 target price on shares of Wal-Mart Stores in a research note on Tuesday, September 19. Therefore, 49% are positive. Wal-Mart Stores has a 52-week low of $65.28 and a 52-week high of $81.99. As per Monday, May 16, the company rating was maintained by Deutsche Bank. Wal-Mart Stores Incorporated. The stock's 50-day moving average price is $79.36, and its 200-day moving average price is $76.96. The rating was downgraded by Stephens to equal weight on Thursday, October 15. The rating was maintained by Jefferies on Monday, October 10 with buy. The rating was maintained by Nomura with buy on Friday, May 20. The stock of Wal-Mart Stores Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange WMT, earned buy rating by North Coast on Friday, November 13. More notable recent Wal-Mart Stores Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange WMT, news were published by BusinessInsider.com, which released Walmart will not be hiring extra workers for the holiday season and regular on September 20, 2017. Also Bloomberg.com with their article, Wal-Mart is simplifying its sprawling U.S. store operations, published on September 12, 2017. Bloomberg.com published, Wal-Mart spent a year remaking diapers on September 27, 2017.